From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big evening and overnight here on Crypto LALATE as the markets are going exactly the direction I told you they would be going. In this cryptocurrency update live tonight, we'll be going over what you need to know across the board. We're going over the top cryptocurrencies of 2021 going into the new week, the top coins to buy and the coins to stay away from. We'll be going over market predictions as we come out of a fourth market crash. But are we going into a fifth? I'll be predicting where your coins will be, whether you're buying or on the sell side, whether you're short-term or long-term. And I'll show you how there's opportunities to buy coins across the board, even in a market, which I'm indicating in this video, that's downturning. Coins will devalue over the next 3 weeks, but I'm going to show you how you can make money across the board. There's always the opportunity with this channel to make money on the coins. And we'll be looking at a lot of coins in this recording. Bitcoin taking a fall, and Ethereum heading back down. There's Doge downtrending again, and the daily on Polygon, a pop and then a drop. Then we have Aave and AMP that continue to struggle across the board. We'll see coins like SushiSwap, which had the opportunity to day trade, and Decentraland that's struggling tonight. We'll be looking at live here, once a $25 coin just a few days ago, and heading to $11. What's going on? I'll have all the market analysis, the price prediction, the trading analysis for beginners, for amateurs, and for advanced, all across all the coins for today, this week, and the next 3 months. This is Overnight and Evenings Crypto on LALATE. How are you, boy? What a big week it has been. And the week is far from over because next week, folks, is going to be the reality check. If you're subscribed to this channel, you know what's happening because I've been telling you what's been happening before it happens. But I think that a lot of people think the next week is going to be the beautiful surprise where everything pops back to May levels. Not going to happen. If you haven't, subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button right now and become part of the fastest growing cryptocurrency channel on YouTube. 400,000 subscribers in 1 year, a YouTube record. Next stop, 1 million. Hit that subscribe button. The reason why this channel's growing is because I cover all the coins. I cover all the market opportunities, all the price points, all the price predictions. My predictions have been 100% correct, but more importantly, I'm showing you where not to buy, where to buy, how to make money. We're not here to be fans of coins and lose our shirt. I think you know which coin I'm referring to. And across the board, I cover a lot of analysis. On Overnight's Crypto, your questions are answers. So jump in the live chat. Evening's Crypto as well. Jump in the live chat. I answer your questions. I'm in the chat with you as well. Also hit that like button. Let's go over where we are tonight by understanding how we got here. 3 weeks ago, well, let's go back to May. Let's go back to February. People were buying coins in January, February, seeing a beautiful run. Coins were going up 1,000% in just 3 months. You could buy a coin, put it away, not even look at it, come back in May, and suddenly you'd have a 1,000% return on your investment. Easy, pretty easy. And then we reached that mountain in May and we went straight down. Let me tell you right now, you are not going back to that type of investment opportunity. That type of investment opportunity is no longer with us, where you can buy a coin and put it away for 3 months from now, and it'll be up in value. So, in watching this video, number one, don't be buying a coin today and think it's going to go up in value in 3 months from now. It's not. It's actually going to go down in value. But I'm going to show you still how you can make money in this video. So don't be buying coins today thinking they're low and they're cheap and they're going to go up in value in 3 months. No, they're going to be devalued, lower in value in 3 months from now. But what happened after those coins started to go down? Over the next few weeks, coins were losing 3% every 48 hours. But some people who are looking at the 24-hour chart, the one-day chart, were getting confused because they would see the coin is up 8% in 1 day and get very excited. And then the next day, the coin will be down 10%, then up 3%, then down 5%. You see what's going on? Coins were progressively losing value because their losses, their days down, were more significant than their days up. And so progressively, coins were devaluing. Ethereum, once a $3,000 coin heading into the low 3,000s. Once a $50,000 coin heading into the low 40,000. What was going on? We were devaluing. And then came the news. On a Tuesday morning, out of nowhere, at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a major announcement from the People's Republic of China, bam, coins collapsed. But Wednesday, they rebounded. So if a coin was $2 on Monday. On Tuesday, it collapsed to $1, but by Wednesday, it was back to $2. It fully rebounded. Great news. There was support, what you call support for the coin, support for the investment. They came back, the buyers, and brought it right back to its price level. Thursday, that same week, same announcement, another announcement for the People's Republic. Bam, the coin's devalued again, plummeted, crash number 2. But on Friday, they rebounded. On Saturday, they went even higher. Great news. Coins showed a lot of support. People were coming in saying this is a great buying opportunity. After 2 market crashes, we were up. We were actually up. And then came that Sunday. I had told viewers, watch Saturday afternoon to Sunday evening. It may be a market crash. And I was right. The third market crash was the most pervasive because it started on Saturday, went all the way into Sunday night. And coins by the third market crash, that same Sunday, that same week, got, in some cases, lower than the first and 2 market crashes levels. But what got more pervasive is that a lot of coins did not rebound on Monday. By Wednesday, some coins, 50% of the market rebounded, but the other coins didn't. But what was the most telling point was that after 3 market crashes, people lost faith. And then came the devaluation. Over the next 3 weeks, every single coin went like this. Every single coin was losing 3% over every 48 hours. There was not a single coin that was going up. They were all slowly going lower, lower. And they would have pops. They would go up 8% one day, but then down 11% the next day. So people would look at one day and say, hey, it's great news. I'm going to buy it. It went down for 8%. No, it's been downtrending day after day. Don't be buying. It's downtrending. The market indicators were very clear that I delivered to viewers this channel. I said, if either of these 2 events happen, we're heading to our 4th market crash. I said, 1, if Ethereum falls under 2,500 for more than 24 hours, or Bitcoin falls under 35,000 for more than 24 hours, we're seeing our 4th market crash. Well, as if it wasn't any more obvious, we had Ethereum under 2,500 for a week. So I said, we're heading to a market crash. The question is what day? It wasn't clear what day it was because Ethereum was slowly staying under 2,500, 2,400, 2,300. And then you look at the chart back at the 3rd market crash, and I said, the 1st and 2nd market crash. I said, hey, folks, the last time it crashed, it got to 2,200 before it crashed. If Ethereum gets to under 2,200 this Friday, you're going to have a crash on Sunday. And that's what happened a week ago today. I had predicted a week ago today that we would have a market crash on a Sunday if Ethereum got under 2,200. It got under 2,200. I said, here we go. We're at 2,100. We're having a market crash on Sunday. And I didn't even anticipate the following. The People's Republic of China was back. They had another announcement. And here, the last 4th crash was the most different of them. Why? Number 1, the crash lasted longer. It started on Sunday, went to Monday, continued into Tuesday. Number 2, the market crash did not have any coin fully rebounded substantially after the market crash was over. So by Wednesday, coins had not fully rebounded at all. Coins had sometimes, in the case of maybe Bitcoin, which was very close or almost at the same level, was just a little bit below or went above for a second, but then stayed below. But with the exception of maybe Bitcoin, most coins never came back to their price point. The most obvious type of coin was a coin that was $2, went to $1 during the crash, and then came back to $1.40 or $1.20. It never came anywhere close back to the $2 of a Saturday, 2 Saturdays ago. So there you go. So I told viewers on Monday and Tuesday, we're still going down. We're still going down. We're not the bottom. What does the bottom refer to? The bottom of the crash level. When you're crashing, you eventually come to a stop, and then you stop, and then something happens. I said, we're not at the bottom. People on Twitter were buying, saying, hey, it's cheap on Monday. I'm like, no, we're not. We're still going down. You're going from $5 to $4 to $3. People buying at $4. I'm like, why are you buying at $4? We're heading to $3. And then we'll go to $2. People buying at $2. Why are you buying at $2? We're heading to $1. Finally, it stopped. And it's flattened. It paused, thank goodness. To which I said 3 possibilities. If we do not go back to those pre-crash levels, this is the new market. This is the new market. 2 possibilities. The new market is we stay at these levels, which are now the crash number 4 levels, or we go lower. And I said, until we see their support, we're going to crash lower. And we didn't see the support. The telling point was Thursday to Saturday. By Saturday, it was very obvious. We were not stable. We were not going to rebound. In fact, we are going to lower lows. We are going to devalue below the crash levels of last week, crash number 4. We're going to devalue below those levels progressively over time. And I said that we would retest crash 4 levels by this Saturday or Sunday. And virtually every coin tonight has done that. I had said that on Tuesday, we reached our lowest low, and by Wednesday, we came up a little bit, and Thursday, we came up a little bit more. And Friday was good, and then Saturday, I said, what's going on Saturday? Saturday's going down. I said, Saturday, we're going to retest our lows. If not on Saturday or Sunday, we're going to retest those Tuesday lows, and we did. So coins are now back at the crash 4 levels of Tuesday. What does this mean for today? It means there's no support. It means that crash number 4 is now extended into a whole week event. But what does this mean going forward? Here are the market indicators. Let me tell you where we're heading, and let me tell you where we're going. First, over the next 3 weeks, coins will devalue. There will not be a single coin that will go up in value, is my prediction. Coins will devalue. How much? It depends on the coin. But generally, I think that you can see the same rate of devaluation of the coin before this 4th market crash as after the 4th market crash. So if you saw your coin going down slowly in devaluation, then you'll continue slowly in devaluation. If you saw your coin a relatively quick devaluation, you're going to see a very quick devaluation as well. But I think it's going to be a progressive devaluation. It's going to be somewhere upwards of 3% every 48 hours. Slow, progressive devaluation. And then what? Within the next 3 weeks, expect crash number 5. And what will crash number 5 be? It will be the People's Republic of China next announcement. That next announcement will be at a very bad time for coins. Why? Because imagine right today, we're at crash level 4s. We're at the level of crash 4. And I'm telling you now that we're at crash level 4, we're going to devalue lower than crash level 4 the next few weeks. And then People's Republic of China is going to announce, then we're going to go straight down. So we're right here, and we're going to devalue, and then the People's Republic of China is going to come in, we're going to go straight down. Now, how low are we going to go? I think we're going to go really to the levels of February on your charts. So most coins were like this on a mountain. They went up a mountain, and they're mostly maybe 50% down the mountain on the other side, or 70% of the mountain. I think we're going upwards of 80, 90% down the mountain. So with all that news that may be overwhelming for viewers already, can you make money? Absolutely. There is 2 big opportunities to make money, and today had big opportunities to make money, lots of money. But it's a different type of approach. What approach can you absolutely not make money in this market with? I've already said it. Number 1, you cannot make money on buying a coin and doing nothing with the coin and coming back in 3 months from now and trying to sell it. If you pay $100 for the coin today, in 3 months from now, it'll be less of a value, $70 or $80. You're not going to make money on the coin, so you can't do that strategy. Number 2, can you buy and hold it longer and make money? Yes, if we're talking about 5 years, over a year, absolutely. Now, I use 5 years as a benchmark. You can absolutely make money over a year. But that is not making money this year. So can you make money today? Absolutely. Can you make money this week? Absolutely. Let's go over first the strategies, and then we're going to look at the coins. There's going to be 2 ways you can make money. The first one you can make every single day. The second one is sporadically. The first one you can make money every day is what you call day trading, where you are buying a coin and selling it within a few hours, or selling it within a day or a day and a half. You're not holding the coin, because what's going on? The coin's devaluing. Here's the example of what happens. You're looking at a coin, for example, that let's say at the start of this week was $100, and then it goes down to 95. Then it goes down to $90. Then suddenly, for some reason, the coin drops to 80, and then suddenly from 80, it's running up 18% in a few hours. Now, clearly, you're not going to be buying this coin to hold it as a 3-month investment, but suddenly it's up 18%, or maybe it's trying to get back to 94. So you want to get into the coin quickly and out of the coin and try to make a 20% return on your investment or higher within any duration starting at the time in which you buy it. And those opportunities are abound. You're basically buying the coin and selling it, trying to get over a 20% return in a few hours when a coin is what I call breaking away. It's having a pop, it's having a run up. How do you find those coins? You generally find those coins the following way. You're going to be looking at your charts. I'm going to show you in a second how you do this. But you're going to look at your charts. You're going to be looking for a coin that is breaking up about over 15, 16% where the market is relatively flat or down. And that you want to get into that coin when it's up 15, 16, 18, 19, 20% before it goes to up 30% for the day or 40% so that you get out of the coin when it's just about done for the pop. Now, maybe the pop goes for a day and a half, but you get out of that pop right before it starts to downtrend again. And then that $100 coin goes back down to $50. So there you go. I'll show you a couple examples of that in just a second. The second opportunity is not every day. This opportunity is when you're going to see this market, which is going like this, slowly devaluing every day. And then suddenly one morning you wake up and you go to coinmarketcap.com or your platform or whatever you buy your coins on. And suddenly everything is green. Everything is up. Everything's up 20%, 15%. You're going to buy a coin when the market is going up that day and get out by the end of that run up. If that run up is a day or a day and a half, you're going to get out because you know the coins are going back down. People are going to get excited. It's very obvious what's going to happen. People are going to see coins up 15% and say, oh, the market's coming back. Yeah, fool, you just lost 40% of the value of your coin over the last week and a half. And now it's up 15%, nothing to celebrate about. But you're going to get in 15%. And then as people see the coins going down, they're going to all sell and you're going to get out because they understand the coin's actually not returning investment. It just had a pop for a day. All right, let's go over the coins right now to understand where the market is and to understand which coins you can do this with and which coins you can't. Let's start, of course, with the biggies. Let's start with Bitcoin. So here you go. Here's Bitcoin. We're currently looking at a one-day chart. The platform is Gemini. My mouse is in the platform, and my mouse is in the chart. And you see as my mouse moves through the chart, you can see the price point changing. How low did Bitcoin go today? 32,000. How high is it? How low did it drop? Well, it started the day actually at 31,000, which is really quite horrible. And now it's trying to pop up to 33,000. Interesting. Is this a day tradable coin? No, because it's going from 31 to 33,000. That's not enough of a return on your investment. Now, here is why you need to, watch from these videos and learn from your charts. Your charts are your friends. You're looking at a one-day chart. This may look great. It's a green chart. Things are going up. This is a horrible situation for this coin because as you look out further on the charts, you see that this coin has devalued. This coin was 41,000 less than about a week ago, and it's gone straight down. It is devaluing progressively over time. If you need to go out further, let's look at the chart out further. That's that mountain we were talking about. So it is halfway down the mountain. It's halfway down the mountain. Where is the next stop on the mountain? The next stop on the mountain is if it gets under 25,000, it's going to break down to the 20s. So I do believe that if Bitcoin by chance is in the mid-20s, like 28, 29, before a People's Republic of China announcement again, that will be enough. Bitcoin will fall to 24, 23,000, and it'll be back to those levels from earlier this year. Now, do I like Bitcoin as a long-term investment? Yes. So if you have it, it will be going to 100,000 in 5 years. If you don't have it, should you be buying yet? Here's my approach. If you're looking to buy something for a 5-year investment, I like things when it gets cheap. So some people would buy a house in a block and say, well, I'm overpaying for the house, but I really like the neighborhood, and in 5 years it'll go up. I rather say, yeah, I like the neighborhood, but I rather try to steal a house in the neighborhood. Let me wait till I get Bitcoin lower. It depends on you. I rather buy Bitcoin lower and wait. Here's Ethereum. Ethereum is just really struggling. It went to 1,700 today. I mean, that's horrible. It downdraft again today. But I mean, look at how bad this chart is. It reached its height of about almost 4,000. It's just going down. It's devaluing progressively. What's next stop for Ethereum? It will likely get into the low thousands, like 1,200. By the time the next People's Republic announcement comes, and if it takes 3 weeks to get another announcement out, and once it's at that level, 1,200, 1,300, and the announcement comes, bam, there you see. It's going to be at the bottom of the mountain. It's going to be about 700. That's where Ethereum's heading when it gets hammered by another announcement. Now, Doge is having some support right now. It has not fallen as low as those crash levels of Tuesday. So Doge was 17 on Tuesday, but it's showing some promising, atypical, better than market support since the last market crash. How low is Doge going to get? Now, understand this is not the whole total Doge chart because Gemini just started listing Doge. I think Doge will get into the mid-teens, like 15, in the next few weeks before the announcement from the People's Republic of China. And then we come to our Polygon. So which coins can you get in and get out and make these big trading opportunities? To make these big trading opportunities, you need to have coins that have lots of movement in a day. And when I mean lots of movement in a day, I mean 20% movement in a day. You're looking to make at least 20% profit. Here's what you need to know, is that when you're trading, we're talking about the day trading opportunity. When we're day trading, which can also span over a day and a half, you are looking to get at least a 20% return. And you can do this several times a day. You could do it with one coin, then get out as soon as you get your profit and go right into another coin that gives you an opportunity and do it again. So you can do it several times a day, certainly 7 times a week. You just have to have the time and patience to do it. And yes, it is more work than just buying a coin and putting it away and not looking at it. But you have to pick the right coins to do it. And which coins are those? Let's look at Polygon. Is Polygon the right coin to do it? Let's look at how much volatility was on Polygon today. 10%. So the day started at 106, went to 111. So it gave you about a 10% movement today. Not a lot. Now, not to say that Polygon won't give you bigger movements tomorrow, but not a lot. Did AMP give you a lot of movement? It went from 5 cents to 6 cents. That's not particularly enough either. Not to say that AMP won't do that, but you want to get an AMP at like 5 cents, sell it at 7 cents. 4 cents, sell it at 6 cents. You want more than a 1 cent move. But not to say it's not today, could be tomorrow. Aave may have the opportunity. Aave has gone as low as 170 several times and has gone up to 210. So you see how much larger the spread is? This chart just is moving a lot. So it was 178 right before today. And how high did it go today? 200 and back down. So let's look at this chart, the 7-day chart. See you there? So you can buy an Aave at like 170 and sell it at 221. That's deliciousness right there. That is showing you the volatility of a good day trading. Now, SushiSwap has been a day tradable coin several times in the last few days. It may not deliver the type of return you want, but it has been volatile enough. And then let's look at Decentraland. Not volatile enough. It's staying in a 40 cents to, let's see how low it's going, 46 to 48. 2 cents, not going to work for us. So how do we find these coins across the board? You want to go into your platforms like Gemini, which we're in right now. They all have a column that says percentage up. And that percentage up is usually the third column over. Currently, if you click the column first, it's going to show you the worst performing coins at the moment. Now, I'm not going to tell you not to buy the worst performing coins, but I am going to tell you to learn them, because guess what? Deriva.io is down 3% right now. Guess what? If you're watching Morning's Crypto, it was way up. It was up, I think it was 20% this morning. It's now down 2%. You see what happened? So I want you to learn by seeing the coins that are the most up and the most down. Deriva.io is now number 4 most down coin, number 5 most down coin on Gemini. But this morning on Morning's Crypto, it was through the roof up. So that's why you have to remember names. If you remember a name, then you remember where it's going. And then if we click the column again, then Loopring, Loopring, is up the most. It is up 32%. Wow. 32%. Now, I believe I covered Loopring on morning's crypto, and it was up, I think, 15% at the time, or 12%. So this would have given you at least a 13% run, and it may not be done. It may continue to run tomorrow. That is how you use the platform, and that is how you find those day tradable coins. Let's go into the split screen now, and here on my side is coinmarketcap.com. And I'm going to look onto coinmarketcap.com because it has more coins than just Gemini and see if there's any coin that is absolutely breaking out. And when we pull up coinmarketcap.com, guess what? When we go to rank coins up on the 24-hour chart, Internet Computer, which was up this morning at about 30%, is now up about 36%. So it's still going up. A horrible coin, a coin you should never hold long term because it's lost. It is taking people's shirts away, but it's up 35% today. So that is why you want to consider that coin. XDC was up, I think, about 15% on morning's crypto. It's up 23% right now. And Harmony, which was up 11% this morning, is still up 11%. So Harmony has not broken out. What's the most down coin? Here you go. This is why you have to look at the coins that are most down and most up for you to be a trader, because they're the most volatile coins and they'll give you big runs. CeeLo. I detailed CeeLo yesterday. It was the most up coin yesterday. Today it's the most down coin in the 24-hour chart from coinmarketcap.com. It is down 27%. There you go. And that is how you find your day tradable coins. So to recap, there are two buying and selling opportunities. Two ways to make money in crypto currently. Number one, buying a coin and getting out of it very quickly within an hour, a half a day, or a day and a half. It's day trading. That's when the coin you're going to see has broken away from the pack. The market is flat, the market is down, and this coin starts at a 15% up day, then it's a 16%, then it's a 17%, then it's a 20%. Okay, boys, you're going up. I'm getting into you now. You're up 20%, then it goes to 25%, then it goes to 30%, 40% up, and then it goes to 30% up. Then, okay, now it's time to get out. You are downtrending back again. You're not holding the coin because the coin's going to devalue over time. The other opportunity is not going to happen all the time, which is the entire market has a beautiful update for a half a day or maybe a full day. And everyone's so excited and everything's up. You're going to use that opportunity to buy the coin. And then as soon as the market downtrends and people realize this euphoria was much of nothing and start to sell, you're going to get out because it's going to be a one-day pop when the market goes up. And the market may do this sporadically. It's as you're going down, down, you may have an update for maybe a day or two, and then we go back down. That is where you're buying on the slide. You're buying these sort of breakout, flippable day or 2 days. The opportunities you're not going to have are buying a coin and looking back at 3 months, that'll be appreciated. Not going to be there. And so then on my sell side, what should my sellers do? People who have coins. What should you do if you have a coin, you just found this channel, and you say, darn, I was watching that channel who promised me that Doge was going to be $3 by June, and it's not even anywhere near there. What do I do? Here is my advice to you. Three items of advice. If you're a holder of a coin, 3 possibilities. Number one, you don't need the money, and you don't have other profit and losses from coins and stocks this year, and you don't really care, you don't really need this money at all, and you think that the coin is a good coin generally, and you've watched this channel, and you think, hey, it's a good coin. It's Ethereum, it's Bitcoin, it's a good coin, but I bought it a little bit too price, and it's just losing value. Put it away and don't pay attention to it. Leave it alone, and it will be up in value in a year or so. You'll be cash positive within a year. Don't worry about it. Look at the next investment. Number 2. You have an investment in a coin and you need the money. You need the money to pay bills or something else like that. Then at that point, you're going to have to decide when you want to get out because this coin is going to lose value. And whatever it is today, it may be 80 cents and 80% of value in 3 weeks from now, 70% of value. And you need to know that if you need that money, then consider this not a performing asset. It's not going to return a appreciation for you. Third consideration is that you do buy and sell a lot. or you're intending to buy and sell a lot. And that if you do intend to buy and sell a lot, this may be your loss of the year, and you may have other profits of the year. So you may have sold Polygon on a pop earlier in this watching this channel and made, $400. But if you're selling your position on a bad coin right now, you're going to lose $85, then fine. It'll offset your tax burden because you have a loss to offset that gain. If that is the type of person you are, then you may consider that as well. And there you go. A lot of opportunities and a lot of coins. My prediction for you going into the new week, we're going lower. We're going lower. And so I want you to stay focused. If you have questions about any particular coin, about whether to buy the coin or sell the coin, jump into the live chat on the overnight show and say, Ethereum, I need to sell, and drop your comments. Your comments overnight were absolutely incredible on last night's overnight show, but sometimes I don't know what you want. So if you're on the sell side or on the buy side, it's a very different question. So if you're asking, should I buy Ethereum at this point? And my response was, well, are you going to hold it for 5 years? Sure. If you want to get something that has going to go up in value in 3 months, absolutely not. Don't buy it. But if you want to be a seller of Ethereum, then you need to ask me that you're selling, because otherwise I don't know which side you are on the equation. And with that, I invite all your questions across the board, any coins I don't cover in this channel, and make sure you subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. I want you part of this channel, hit that subscribe button. Next up, 1 million. Let's get to 410,000 subscribers by Tuesday. Also, like this video, 3,000 likes. Every like helps. And consider becoming a member. 3 shows per day. Mornings crypto, 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, live on air. Evenings crypto at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And overnights crypto from 5:30 Pacific Standard Time all the way until the next morning. Stay informed, stay focused. Have a beautiful evening across the board. Always stay informed and have a beautiful new week. I look forward to seeing you on the channel, and stay with LA for more.